What is good, everybody? I'm going to be back testing 2024's price action. I'm going for today, 4 hour. Already kind of marked out all my, I said intermediate height above as well. Slightest imbalance. All time highs you have above. Bunch of low resistance at the lows, leading to sell side liquidity, which is about 500 points, which is not that bad. We would definitely exceed that. As of right now, we are inside this 4 hour. Predicting rejection week inside the 4 hour as well. Well then, MQ, hold on. Bro. Yeah, like how we're doing this right now. You have above us, nothing above. Below we have a bunch of inefficiencies that have not been traded to as well. Kind of leaning bearish. We have to see in a low time frame. What are we doing? Maybe open up 1 hour above. So this would be acting as imbalance would be defending all this low resistance above. So we're trading out of this 1 hour as well. As well as we have a nice little down close candle right before the up move, which is bullish order block. You can see the mean threshold of this order block. No, I'm not gonna mark that, it's too much. Don't wanna waste nobody's time. Size imbalance as well on ES. Hold on, go to 1 hour. Not the low. Leveling off nothing in it significant. We're printing a bunch of rejection wicks inside this 1 hour as well. And see price spec. I mean, we have a bunch of unmitigated imbalances above as well. Nice and intermediate high as well. Trading back into equal highs, which will see as a good draw. Not a good target, but I'm saying it's a good draw of liquidity. So let's get right into it. Market open. Let's set this up nice. Hold on, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back on 9:30. Do you want to see? As well as using true opens as well. 7:30. What do we do? Open, trade higher. We're looking for an open high, low close scenario. Feeling bearish. What do we have below us that would price back to reach into? We have a bunch of imbalance that have not been mitigated. As well as sell side. As well as this 30-minute that we traded to already as well. Okay, let's see what price does. Open. Opens. Trade higher. Nice. So the biceps above as well. Do you have any news? 8:30. Nope. Open 9:30. Get displacement. Open. Went up a 4-minute as well. Inside this 4-minute as well. Yes. 90-minute cycle. Not a daily cycle. On the daily cycle. Nothing really significant in my eyes. Skip. Okay, trade lower. Okay. S&P at the highs, followed by immediate displacement lower. This would be obviously good target as well. We could do get a nice little CISD as well. Up close kind of right before the down move, which is CISD. Bear CISD. So was this a 30-second IVG? Nah. 2-minute, nope. Putting massive rejection wicks at the highs. Looking for open high low close scenario. Obviously our D rolls at the low. Was 930 being protected. At the low. You want a bag? Yeah.
Sorry.
Back, bro. I'd like to see the CISD hold. You get a S&T at the high as well. What do we have that was being protected? We had the 15-minute printing rejection work at 15 minutes as well as the hourly. So my condition is obviously we trade open, trade higher, kind of like this. Market open, obviously, open, manipulator higher, getting another stop rate as well, getting the SMT at the high, putting rejection wick at the 4 hour, as well as looking for an open high low close scenario, as well as heavy displacement lower, targeting all of these inefficiencies below, low resistance here as well. So I definitely would like to take this short. Bro, no, I did not even put this color. Targeting a little 1-to-1. Order. Sell. Save. Stop loss. At the S&P high. If it was real market, I obviously put it at the swing high. TP at 930. Obviously felt to trade lower than 930. We just opened. Printing a death candle as well. Printing this massive rejection wick. So we do want to see price trade back into it as well. Have this 15-minute as well. This is 1 hour, so we do have to be careful as well. Not bad. That's good. At least my DOL was correct. What do we do? Not bad. That's really nice. For after 10 o'clock, we get a reversal. Followed by immediate reversal. Not bad. I mean, I'll always target 1-to-1s or 2-to-1s. I'm not really a fan of having a higher risk to reward. Go to the next day. Delete. 1 second. Okay. What are we doing? Sometimes it's laggy. I don't know if this is me. Inside the zone as well. Okay, yes, we did display lower. Trading to the inefficiency below SSL. Printing massive rejection wicks inside this 4 hour. let's not really get into that. I want to get into the price action that we are in as of right now. Right now we're inside this 4 hour. What do we have to the left of us as well as this? Already took out this intermediate low. We have this intermediate low here. There's a good draw inside this imbalance, this 4 hour, as well as a good draw. Well, we already mitigated it, but we do have this intermediate low as well. I'll take these out. I'm not really too confident with these. It's so laggy, bro. What the hell? Intermediate low inside this 4 hour imbalance as well. Currently inside this 4 hour. As well as this 1 hour. Preaching massive rejection wick, preaching the rejection wick. Obviously we're disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish, living off a buy side. We do have sell side here as well. Intermediate low here as well. It's a good target. This has a mind of its own, bro. As well as on ES. Same thing. Inside this 1 hour. As well, we have this imbalance here that we mitigated above as well. What do we have to left of us? Imbalance here as well. Nice little draw below as well as a good target. Has not been mitigated as well. 15 minute, we have a 15 minute as well. 15 minute. To open up 15 minute as well. Over here, so let's just go to market open. Followed by, let's see, 9:30. Open, print massive rejection wick. As well, 9:30 open as well. As well as you guys can say, 7:30 we open, trade lower. We do it here 7:30. Open low. We just straight distribution. We trade into 5 minute. Nope. 4 minute. Yes. What are we trading into in a 30 minute? So obviously it's a good deal. It's intermediate low as well. It's a good target. We'll open up a 30 minute as well. So obviously this should be in my condition. On ES as well. Doing on ES. Nothing. Let's have this 5 minute as well. That you do want to see is respect this 5 minute as well. Printing massive rejection wicks as well. Okay. Continue lower. Okay. I would like to take this inversion lower as well, because we do have a bunch of low resistance at the low, at our DOL, which is a very good target as well. How long do we have until we close? Okay. I could take this here as well. I mean, obviously there is no other draw as well, as like so far away, but obviously we have to ride it with the trend. Look at it as riding with the trend. Obviously we open up a 5-minute as well. Let's see if we get another stop rate. Okay, another stop rate. Obviously I would have took this short. Okay. We open 5-minute, had this 30-minute as well. So I have our targets down below as well. Waiting for 10 o'clock to open, see what 10 o'clock presents us as well. Okay. Obviously we do get a SMT at the lows. I do want to see heavy displacement lower, I mean higher for bullish. Okay, nice inversion. Okay, I would like to take this higher, as we do get a nice little CISD as well above, as a nice little inversion, as well as a, do we get a sequential SMT 5-minute? Yes, sequential SMT at the high where ES fails to do so. So it's a daily cycle SMT, sequential SMT. Yeah. Obviously a good target. That's obviously 15-minute as well. Have been mitigated as well as a good draw. Leaning back to 9:30. As obviously we open and we leave it on the intended, which is a good draw. I'd like to take this into this intermediate high as well. It's a long position, bro. Stop at the SMT. Targeting the 1-to-1, not really. Out of order. Buy 1. Okay. Okay. We break even. I like to minimize my losses. Okay. Get a retracement with a retrading. Inside this 5-minute, we do open up a 5-minute intermediate high as well. Get a redistribution. Nice. Kind of was like reaccumulation at the lows, which is not bad. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I mean, I do like to backtest. It really does help you define like where you at as the trader. I definitely always look where there's a bunch of liquidity. I mean, as you guys may know, obviously markets do a bunch of stuff. Number one, I'll just write it down. Let me see. Hold on, bro. Bro, number one, obviously, Hunt's liquidity. I'm sorry, bro. So hot. I don't know where you guys at, but it's so hot over here where I'm at in the Bronx. So it's basically, the way I look at it is obviously number one, Hunt liquidity. Number two, rebalance. Don't worry about my spelling. EQ of the range. Rebalance, obviously, inefficiencies. Obviously, this imbalances that have not been mitigated as well. It's a good draw. Imbalances. as well as generate liquidity. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys about generating liquidity, if either buy side or sell side has been delivered, more than likely we just want to just generate more liquidity for the next day. Both sell side have been taken, more than likely just want to engineer. You guys know what I mean. Generate. Bruh, this is brutal. Generate, you know what I mean, bro. I'm gonna just short it out. Liquidity the following day. That's basically it, honestly. Literally, this is what market sentiment is all about. Obviously, I do like using power of 3 and QT as well. QT cycles, power of 3, obviously for bearish. Want to see open high, low, close. So we want to see true opens. Market opens at 7:30. We want to see market obviously accumulate, generate more liquidity. Then obviously have a stop rate at the high, and so high time frame PD rate. Then followed by obviously displacement. So kind of this model. High time frame PD rate. Stop hunt, which is just a turtle soup. Really that simple. IPG / CICD has to be displacement. That's only the way like it would hold. Displacement obviously, as well as I like to use contract SMT and TCISD as more confirmation. Bro, it's definitely a bonus in my opinion. As well as obviously you have to have an A+ draw of liquidity, which is obviously obvious. Targeting either bro, buy side or sell side. Do well. As well as you gotta look at it, you can actually trade from IRL to EIRL, or even vice versa. If you, doesn't really matter. It all depends on the circumstance of the trading. What range are we in? As well as candle ranges, obviously, is more certain of power 3. So I like to use I like to trade power 3, MMX models, and QT. That's basically it. Kind of keep it simple. That's the way I like to look at it. Obviously, I like to stack PO3s a bunch. But yeah, that's about it, honestly.